Kick's YouTube channel out in Montebello. I always thought it was interesting how they have a Spanish accent and everything in LA, but not with Montebello. I don't know. Got a Chic, let's go. And the reason I wanted to stop by Chic, they've had a lot of stuff on. Look at this. Look at this. $65 for Mitchell & S Bulls jacket right here. Holy cow, look at all the what are those? The patches and stuff like that. $65. Holy cow, dude, holy cow. They have other teams? No, I don't see any other teams. Man, that's what's up. Chicago sweats right here. These Mitchell & S as well. Yep, $50, normally $90. So I've been dying to check some of the apparel. This is interesting. It's pretty dope, but a little too much for me. A lot of this stuff is not on sale, but some of the stuff is, and definitely worth checking out. Like these were on sale. These were on sale at the other spot at least. Should I have a price check it? These were down to $20 at that other spot. They got the black ones right here. None of these are priced as being on sale. But yeah, man. Can't believe can't believe that jacket was on sale. $125. They got the authentics. They have the authentics. Holy cow, I haven't seen these Bulls authentic ones in a while. They do have these right here down to $50. Mitchell & S Gretzky jersey. Those are normally $200. Those are down to $120. Okay. Have them do a price check. These are going for $20. And these are going for, oh yeah, these are $20 too. But yeah, these are going for $20 as well. That's pretty dope. Rodman jerseys. I don't know why the baby blue is out here, but $155 down to $130. I really like this. I want to say hockey inspired hoodie. It's kind of like a jersey, but kind of not, because their jerseys are they long sleeve? I don't know. I don't really know anything about hockey. But yeah, these are $135. Yeah, well, they definitely don't have hoodies on them too. So yeah, these are $135. I've never seen these on sale though. Oh, this is the one that I missed right here. Okay. Who is this? A Robitaille jersey. This is a Robitaille jersey. Luke Robitaille. $150 down from $200. And then they got these jerseys right here. $120 for this one. Who is this? Oh, I don't know who that is. Solani? Oh, okay. I remember that name, but yeah. Alright, that's not bad. I guess that's the only Gretzky one they have. And I was about to say, they got Jordans, a bunch of stuff on sale, whatever. It's been pretty similar to most of the sales we have everywhere else. But yeah, $70 for the 312s right here. And look at the $60 Jordan 1 Lows for $60 freaking dollars, 50% off. Holy cow. And look at this. What the hell? $40 for the Lucas? Luca 2's down to $40. Are you serious? Holy cow. Oh my goodness. When I thought I'd seen it all, holy cow. I was like, I don't think I have any of the Lucas. I was trying to figure out. I did buy the Luca ones, and then I gave it to someone. That's what happened. Gave it to a kiddo, one of my kids' friends. I gave it to him because he's starting his senior year. I want to make sure he had a bunch of sneakers for his senior. That's what happened. But yeah, dude got these. These are down to $100. 38s. I really like the look of these. $100. Are you serious? Wow, the Chic sales have been pretty amazing. Is this the Jordan 1 Low OGs? These the Jordan 1 Low OGs down to $70. You serious? Oh my goodness. Holy cow. Holy cow. And I wanna say we've seen those. Got some Team J's. Like we've seen most of these on sale. 2 trays right there. $80 for the Jordan 2. Holy cow. And then Python's $130. And then all kinds of Air Forces on sale. Bunch for $80 and $70. Some of these colorways ain't bad either. Gray ones right here. Raiders colorway right here. $100 for these. $90 for those with the gum bottom. Suede bad boys right here go for $90. And look at the $60 freaking dollars. This is a bigger size, so they only have a bigger size here. But $60. $60 freaking dollars. The great thing about Chic is you can actually check their website too. You can see which locations have which colorways, which sizes, that type of stuff. And then you can actually order it online and then pick them up at store. Kind of a dope feature. They got so many freaking forces. Got some What's that? Multiple blue colors on this one. Black and white with tumbled leather, and then got this one right here. Dang, like almost every Air Force is on sale, man. Then sometimes you got to do what you got to do. Don't have the signs. These are $49.99, but that's funny. They didn't have a blue marker. Put a blue marker on that bad boy. Witness 8s, all those on sale. Like, dude, pretty much everything is on sale. So if you are patient, everything will go on sale. Got Ja ones right here on sale as well. New colorway of LeBron 21s. Don't think I've ever seen these with the chrome Nike sign. That is hella interesting. Okay. Never seen these. These are going for $2 bills. $2 bills. Then yeah, they still got these, man. They still got them. Dang it. Moving over to the grade school. Look at this. $50 for LeBron's. This is a grade school exclusive colorway too. I've never seen these, but $50 for LeBron 21s right there. And then also got this colorway right here. And then if you are a woman and you can fit in grade school shoes, these are just dope, dude. Look at the prices. $40. This colorway here is pretty freaking dope. I love all the powder blue, university blue stuff. This is fire, dude. These women's? Oh, these are women's. Okay. That's what's up. Pretty much all of them on sale. Yeah, $40. And then that powder blue one. Those gotta be my favorite though. But yeah, man. Oh my goodness, they got so many Cortezes now. They stopped making them for a while. Now they're bringing them back. How did you feel about these? I was not a fan. I think these look so cheesy. The double air pockets right here. I thought these were so freaking weird. $150. You guys seen these? These just look weird. Why would you want to step on a bear like that? You're gonna hurt his tummy. Yeah, that was kind of goofy, but yeah. These are hilarious, dude. What the hell? They're $33 for these if you want to put your head in a penguin. Is this a penguin? Penguin's head. Got one of these as well. I didn't even realize. Did these release today? This is a women's Jordan. Did these release today? I guess so, huh? Have not been paying attention to releases, I'm not gonna lie. Got a ton of releases coming out next week though. Got 3 different Kobe's. Got some Jordans. Maybe I'll talk about that. All right, dude got these right here. I don't even know what color. Is this ochre? But yeah, these are $210 for these Jordan 1.4s. These are a women's colorway. I don't know if they did extended sizing or not though. Do have a Foot Locker with 2 entrances. Is that another LeBron 21 I've never seen before? Okay. These are definitely interesting. Different material. Oh, different material than most of the other ones. Okay, $210 for those bad boys. And it's kind of interesting seeing no sales here as opposed to the Chic, which had a ton of stuff on sale. Look at all the Air Forces right there. Not one on sale. Not one of those either. Hopefully you guys are watching most of my videos. Champs Outlet, they had all those on sale. Dang, they're all regular price here. All of them. Holy cow. Puma, Hot Cheetos. The Scoots, I think these are called. They got new colorways too. New colorways of them. S for the name of the shoe. The Scoots, I guess. Okay. I don't know. I think the Hot Cheeto is more interesting, but not the biggest fan of those. They do have 2 other colorways of those. Then they do have the Hot Cheetos RSX right here as well. These bad boys, $120. Then they do have the matching Hot Cheetos hoodie right here, $80 for these bad boys right here. They got shorts for those bad boys, and then t-shirts as well. T-shirts probably $30 or $40 for those. And then can't neglect the Puma suedes right here, Hot Cheetos, branding all over it, $90 for these bad boys. And then what you're gonna see some of the kids wear it with the tag right there with this thing. They're gonna wear it with that. Starting to see retros on sale, which is fire. $150 for the 13.6s right here. Some of the comforts and stuff on sale. The 2 trays, these are the 2 trays, right? $80 for a couple of those. Okay, actually a third one right here. But a dearth of sales in most other spots, especially the New Balance and stuff. That's surprising. I got a few on sale right there, but not really much, to be really honest. This is the spot that used to have what's called the Puma Lab. They had all kinds of Puma stuff right there. Now they just have women's. Okay. Pretty big JD Sports here. JD's been pretty stale with the sales and stuff though. I don't know, let's go check it out. Of course, we're gonna go directly to the reduced section right here, see if they have anything. $30 off the women's Air Max 90 right there. What are these? What are these? Some Under Armours? Oh, the Currys. The Curry 1 lows. Okay, that's a pretty good price. Look at this, $40 down from $150. This is one of the Curry 1 retros right here. Or it's like a Protro because they actually put the flow. They call it the Flowtros. The Flowtros because they added the flow onto the Curry 1s. They added the upgraded technology. $40 is kind of crazy. Okay. This is definitely why you can't ignore all the stores, even though it's been whatever in the past. Or recently at least. But I do got the Jordan 1 high OG women's right there. Pretty decent sale. On the backside right here, nothing too crazy. And then Jordans right here. Jordan 2 lows, 2 mids right there. Got some 1 mids, highs. Got some SE mids. Nothing too crazy. And then the 4s did come out, so they do have the 4s right there in the case. Do got a Pro Image. Pro Images sometimes have a sale section, sometimes they don't. I do see a 50% off section right here, but it seems like it's all the traded players. All the players that didn't re-sign. Pollard, got Pickett right here. Like everybody who's been moved or who's changed. Renford, I don't know who that is. Got Allen right here. Jacobs, Wilson, and Eckler right there. Yeah, pretty much everybody who's moved on. Henry right here. The Henry jersey probably worth it, man. He was there with them for a while. So 50% off Derrick Henry. This is probably the best jersey here. Oh, it's just bigger size. So XL, double XL. Then someone got like, that's not me, right? Yeah, someone got like blood on it or makeup on it or something. Yeah, a few of them. Look at that. Yeah. Guess I'm good. Double X and triple XL though. All right, do have a Champs, do have a Shoe Palace. And make sure you guys help our boy out. Press that like button. And then if you guys do need information about where this mall is located or any of the stores that I visit, make sure you guys check out the description. All right, let's look around. I swear these Flex stores have been hella mediocre. They have a good selection, but I just haven't seen too many sales, to be really honest. Do have all the old school Kobe's, or they used to be called the Kobe's. And yeah, man, they're all slightly on sale. I think I got this one. Anthony Edwards. Are these gonna go on sale too? Because these are probably the best-selling Adidas shoe right now, right? Or best-selling Adidas basketball shoe at least. This one looks dope, dude. This one looks dope. Definitely different from every other basketball sneaker out there. And $120, so that's not that bad. And then still got these for $80, man. People sleeping on these. I'm such a fan. I'm gonna show these every time because those are freaking dope. Dude, got some classic leathers right here. I don't know, $40, whatever. That's hella red, dude. Rarely ever see cleats here at Champs, so pretty dope to see these. It is the off season for football, so of course all these football cleats gonna be on sale. Okay. Normally $130 down to $70, almost 50% off. Then they still have the Demon Slayer ones here. I haven't seen these at too many spots. If you are a fan of the Demon Slayer, I don't even know what that is. Is that an anime or something? I don't know. They got the Crocs here. Those are all what, $65? $70. These are down to $50. And they got the NASCAR one right here as well with the spoiler in the back. Pretty funny. And then dude got a little clearance section right here. Got all these going for 50% off. If you are out here, hit up the Champs clearance store, Champs outlet. Get these for $20 freaking. Dude got these. These are 50% off. These are pretty dope, man. The cream color ones, I am a huge fan of these. I ain't even trying to get them for 50% off though. If they go down further, maybe. And they got New Era hoodies right here, down 50%. I think we've seen these at other spots. These are the Rams fleece jackets right here, go for $95, 50% off. You got a Rams hoodie right here. This is a New Era. And this is, I'm trying to look for the price tag. These are $85. And then dude got these. I think these are 50% off as well. So not bad, not bad. All right, last store is Shoe Palace. Seems like Chic and Shoe Palace the last week or two. They've been the hot spots. All right, let's go see what's up. Then dude got the Jordan section right here. And then dude got the latest Jordan 4 release. Dude got these bad boys. I'm gonna have to push this one up so you guys can see the Jordan 4s. These definitely interesting. Yeah, man. These ain't bad. These ain't bad. And then all the Jordans that are on sale right here. I can't believe these are on sale. $150 for these bad boys. These are on sale here and at Chic. These are on sale here in the Chic as well. I think it's a little bit cheaper, $120. I think it's $130 over there. Jordan 1 High OGs on sale. Both these, I think $120 or $130 for this one. $120 for that one. 2 lows right here. $80 for those right there. Comforts, $80 and $90. And then dude got the military blue Hydro 4s right here, aka industrial blue. That's what they're calling them, I think now. Kind of interesting. They didn't care about military black or all the other military colorways, but okay. $65 for those bad boys. I freaking love these. I have a couple. I think I have the fire red, and I think I have an, is it the breads? I don't know. I have a couple different, the Hydro 4s. I am a fan of those. I'm not paying $65 for these. That just ain't happening. Chic had all those Air Forces on sale. That's the only spot that had all the Air Forces on sale. They have sales here too, but the only spot with all the Air Force on sale is Chic. And these are some of the items that we've seen at pretty much every Shoe Palace. $130 for those. Vomeros. One of the Vomeros had these for $100, I think. Oh yeah, these are $100, duh. Because it says freaking $160 right there. Air Max 90s, huge fan of those. This feels like a tennis ball material. Scorpions right here. These are down to $150, as well as those right there. Got the Jaws right here down to $70, and then $70 for these. And that's about it, man. All right, I guess they do have a couple Air Force on sale. Seeing Dunks on sale, that is kind of crazy. We haven't seen that in many years. Just I think well before the pandemic. More Air Forces right there. New colorway of the Air Force. I don't think I've seen these, have I? I don't know. But these ain't bad right here. I don't remember seeing these either. These are interesting. $115 for those. The nylon Cortezes, they are coming back. They'll go for $90. But yeah, nylon Cortezes, man. Haven't seen these in forever. And then dude got some sales right here. 90/60s right here. I don't know which one this is, a 1906. Go for $90. Another one of those right there. This one has kind of like that unfinished look to it. These are $160. I don't even know which one these are. Which ones are these? I don't know which one these are, but they're here. Another 1906 on sale right here. Then I'm a fan of this one right here. 574. This colorway is pretty fire. Pretty fire. I just realized this mall doesn't even have automatic doors. What the hell? What the hell? We're so bougie, god dang it. Tony Almo Christian Ministries? What the hell? What the hell?